welcome back. Well, I finally got some welding gas, so I'm working on the shock towers again. So this is what I'm welding up. So, you know, I was hoping to show you that a little better, but I basically had this lip kind of laying like that. Weld that really hot. And then I already finished up the other side. I just hadn't filmed this side yet, but it's on there, it's welded. I just kind of like notched this out a little bit, and I smoothed out the corners. I left the welds down here, but I wanted to see how I liked it with it rounded. It's either way. I like showing my welds, but I thought maybe it'd look nicer if I grinded the welds down. So, welding this up. I'm gonna use a clamp to pull that down, clamp it, weld it. You can kind of like work it, pull it down a little bit, weld it, pull it down a little bit, weld it. We'll see. Alright, well, excited to wrap up that battery tray. That's been holding me up for a little bit. I wanted something that tucked on the inside of the frame, sat as low as I could get it without getting in the way of the exhaust. If I ran it any lower, my exhaust is going to have to hang lower, and that's one of my big pet peeves, is not seeing the exhaust I used a couple existing holes that were already drilled into the support and drilled into the frame. Just opened them up a little bit for some 3/8 bolts. Bending all that metal was a little tough. I think it was 1/8 inch steel. Eventually I'm gonna have some wooden boxes, storage boxes right there. So hopefully you won't be able to see that battery unless you're really looking for it. It actually tucked up a lot better than I thought. So excited that part's done. Excited the shock mounts are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure and check out more videos on this channel. Later.